Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's actually a Thanksgiving morning, so I figured we'd do a little American nostalgia today. Came up on this Schwinn. I don't know if this is a heavy duty or a middleweight. So if you know about these Schwinns, drop a comment below. It's got the signature head tube here. So this shows that it's made, I believe, in the Chicago plant. We're missing the badge. Do a quick little walk around here. So if you know about these bikes, drop a comment. If you see anything that stands out, let me know. This is the first Schwinn that I've had. I know that this bracket is unique. This is for a caliper mount. This is not the fender style mount. I guess the fender bridge would go this way, where this one comes up for a rim caliper. I think from what I could see that this mount is like for a Corvette, Schwinn Corvette, but again, I'm not 100%. So if you know, drop a comment. And pedals, wheels are nice and true. Coaster brake action. It's got this 2-speed, I believe it's a 2-speed setup on here. Try to stay out of the light. Up on the right side of the handlebars, you have this BENDIX Aviation Corp made in USA shifter. I think it's a 2-speed. It only has 2 positions. That actuates the mechanism in the back. So let's see. You're here in the down position. You got that gearing. Then when you shift it, gets a, I think that's a high gear. Gets a little harder to pedal. It's cool. Seems to work. Just need to take it apart and grease it up, clean it up. The paint is black. I don't know if this is original paint. It looks pretty thick. I don't know if someone might have took it apart and powder coated it, but it's in fairly good condition. Might just polish it up. It's got a headlight here. Do not think this is Schwinn original. Looks a little too modern. Switch up here looks a little modern. It's got the Schwinn script grips here. It's got some Taiwan mirror. Probably take that off. Wheels are pretty true. Tires are all cracked. White walls. I don't see any writing on here, so these might be some aftermarket replicas. You can hear some like dirt floating around in there. It's got a Schwinn script hub in the front. So I don't think these fenders are stock. It's got the Schwinn script seat post with the AS bolt here, Arnold Schwinn. BENDIX rear bracket here. You can see here on the seat post, it says Schwinn. Clean that up, polish it up. A little Springer seat. So just want to do a quick video on this bike. Gonna be working on this coming up if I can find some time. Things just keep stacking up, but I love it. Hope you guys enjoy this. Have a blessed Thanksgiving. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.